We think we've seen it all. But Japan shows us how wrong we are. They don't just build, they make life plain better. Their ideas are so simple, so clever, they instantly fix problems you never knew you had. Imagine chairs that hug you or places that make stress just disappear. You're about to see how Japan makes life instantly better, leaving you amazed. It's all about the little things, isn't it? The tiny, everyday frustrations we just accept as normal. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Think about the last time you sat in a coffee shop. Was the chair comfortable? Probably not. It was likely just a hard wooden chair you couldn't wait to get out of. We don't even think about it. But in Japan, they do. They see that small discomfort and they fix it. Many cafes there have chairs that are more like low, comfy armchairs, the kind you can actually sink into and relax. It's a simple, brilliant change that instantly makes your day better. That's the whole idea behind so many things in Japan. They see a problem, no matter how small, and they find a clever way to solve it. Take vending machines. Sure, we have them. But Japan has more than any other country in the world, about one for every 28 people, and you can get almost anything from them. Not just snacks and drinks. Imagine you need a hot bowl of ramen, a fresh shirt, or an umbrella because it suddenly started raining. There's a machine for that. They're not just convenient, they're instant fixes for life's little emergencies. These clever solutions are everywhere, hiding in plain sight, making everything just a little bit easier, a little bit smarter. The examples we just gave are only the beginning. We've found 10 incredible things you'll only see in Japan that will make you wonder why the rest of the world hasn't caught on yet. Let's dive in. Number 1. Shinkansen bullet trains arriving with remarkable precision. We've all been there, right? Standing on a cold platform, staring at a departure board that keeps adding 5 more minutes to your delay. Late trains are such a normal part of life, we just sigh and accept it. But in Japan, they saw that frustration and decided to completely fix it. Their solution is the Shinkansen, or bullet train. And when we say they're on time, we mean it. The average delay isn't measured in minutes, it's measured in seconds. If your train is scheduled for 9:32 a.m., you can bet it will be there at 9:32 a.m., not a moment later. So how do they pull this off? It's not just about the train itself, it's about everything that happens around it. The best example is something called the 7-minute miracle. When a bullet train pulls into its final stop, a cleaning crew in pink uniforms gets on board. They have exactly 7 minutes to get the entire train spotless for the next trip. They collect trash, wipe down every single tray table, turn all the seats around to face the direction of travel, and check the overhead racks for forgotten items. They work so fast and so perfectly, it's like watching a performance. This isn't just about being clean. It's a deep respect for people's time and experience. They've turned public transport into something you can actually rely on. But if you think that level of precision is impressive, wait until you see how they've tackled a problem that happens inside almost every home. Number 2. Convenience stores that handle bills, tickets, banking, and shopping in one place. Think about your weekly to-do list. Go to the post office to mail a package. Stop by the bank. Run to a different store to pay your phone bill. Each errand is small, but together they eat up your entire afternoon. It's one of those universal frustrations we all just accept as normal. But Japan decided to fix it. This is a country completely obsessed with convenience. They have one vending machine for every 28 people, selling everything from hot ramen to umbrellas. They took that same mindset and applied it to everyday errands. The result is the Konbini, or convenience store. And it is so much more than the name suggests. It's your post office where you can send and receive packages. It's your bank with ATMs that handle complex transactions. It's your ticket office where you can buy passes for concerts, sporting events, and even theme parks. You can pay all your utility bills right at the counter, print documents straight from your phone, and of course, grab a high-quality hot meal while you're there. It's a system designed to give you your time back. All those annoying little errands are condensed into a single 5-minute stop that's open 24/7. It's an incredibly clever way to improve daily life. But simplifying errands is one thing. What about improving the very tools we use to eat? Number 3. Capsule hotels designed for ultra-efficient use of space. We've all been there, trying to book a trip to a big city and just staring at the hotel prices. It feels like you have to choose between staying somewhere affordable that's an hour away from everything, or spending a fortune on a tiny room just to be in the right location. Well, Japan looked at this problem and came up with an incredibly smart fix. They created the capsule hotel. Instead of booking a whole room you barely spend any time in, you just rent a private, high-tech sleeping pod. Think of it like a cozy, futuristic cocoon. Inside, you get exactly what you need: a comfortable mattress, a light, power outlets to charge your phone, and sometimes even a small TV. The real genius is how they use space. All the other facilities like high-end bathrooms, showers, and lounges are shared. By removing all the unnecessary parts of a private hotel room, they can offer a perfectly clean, safe, and amazingly cheap place to sleep, right in the heart of the city. It's a clever solution that gives people an option that's practical and affordable. This idea of improving something by focusing on efficiency isn't just for big things like buildings. It's also used to make the small, everyday objects we use even better. Number 4. Vending machines selling everything from hot meals to umbrellas. Picture this. You're walking home late, and it suddenly starts to pour rain. Or you're rushing to a meeting and realize you spilled coffee on your tie. In most places, you'd just be out of luck until the stores open, but in Japan the fix is probably just a few steps away. Of course, we all know of vending machines for sodas and snacks. The country is absolutely covered in them. We're talking about one vending machine for about every 28 people. So you're pretty much always near one. The real genius, though, is what they sell. Forget just chips and drinks. You can walk up to a machine and get a hot, steaming bowl of ramen. You can buy a fresh umbrella, a clean necktie, or even little toys. They've turned a simple snack dispenser into a 24/7 problem solver, ready to help you with whatever you need, whenever you need it. It's a clever way to make life just that little bit easier. This focus on convenience and comfort doesn't just stop on the street. It extends right into the places where people go to eat, drink, and relax. Number 5. Heated toilet seats with built-in bidets. Alright, let's be honest for a second. Nobody really gives much thought to the humble toilet. It's purely functional, and we just accept it for what it is. Except maybe on a cold winter morning, when that seat feels like a block of ice. It's a tiny, universal moment of discomfort we all just put up with. Well, in Japan, they looked at that small daily annoyance and decided to fix it. Brilliantly. They transformed the toilet from a basic utility into a small island of personal comfort. It starts with the most obvious improvement, the heated seat. It's a simple change that instantly makes the experience better. But that's just the beginning. These high-tech seats, often called washlets, have a built-in bidet that uses a gentle stream of warm water for cleaning. After that, a warm air dryer means you barely need toilet paper. Many models also include an automatic deodorizer that kicks in the moment you sit down, and some even have a privacy button that plays a flushing sound. And this isn't some rare luxury. Over 80% of homes in Japan have one. They took an object everyone overlooks and perfected it. It's a clever way to improve a part of daily life most of us never thought could be improved. But what happens when this level of thoughtful design is applied to the things we eat? Number 6. Train departure melodies unique to individual stations. Think about the sounds of a busy train station. It's usually chaos, right? A loud, jarring buzzer, a distorted announcement you can barely understand, the screech of brakes. It's a stressful soundscape that instantly puts everyone on edge. Well, in Japan, they looked at this daily annoyance and decided to fix it with something simple and beautiful. Music. Instead of a harsh alarm when a train is about to leave a station, a short, pleasant melody plays. These are called eki melodies, or station melodies, and they're designed to be calming, not alarming. It's a small change that makes the experience instantly better. But here's the really clever part. These aren't just random jingles. Many stations have their own unique tune that's connected to the local area. A station in a neighborhood famous for an anime might play a snippet of its theme song. Another might use a few notes from a local folk song, giving the station a unique identity. It's a simple idea that completely transforms the feeling of commuting. It replaces anxiety with a moment of charm, making the whole system feel more thoughtful and human. This attention to detail, making everyday experiences better, isn't just about what you hear. It also changes what you see, especially when it comes to food. Number 7. Plastic food displays that look almost identical to the real meal. We've all been there, right? Staring at a menu in a restaurant, completely lost. The descriptions are vague, you don't recognize the ingredients, and you have no idea what the food will actually look like. You just have to pick something and hope for the best. In Japan, they solved this problem with a brilliantly simple idea: show, don't tell. Walk past almost any restaurant there, and you'll see a window display filled with what looks like the most perfect, delicious food you've ever seen. But it's not real. These are plastic food models called sampuru, and they are an art form. Each model is a hyper-realistic, handcrafted replica of a dish on the menu. Every detail is perfect, from the texture of the noodles to the glisten of the sauce. This tradition dates back to the 1920s, and these models are often made by skilled artists. A single custom display can even cost hundreds of dollars. It's a clever fix that instantly removes all the anxiety of ordering. You don't need to read a menu or speak the language. You just look at the display, see exactly what you're going to get, and point. It's that easy. This focus on making things clear and simple doesn't just apply to what you eat. It also changes how people interact, especially when it comes to money. Number 8. Tactile paving covering sidewalks, stations, and public spaces nationwide. Imagine for a second trying to navigate a busy city with your eyes closed. Every curb, every set of stairs, and every train platform edge is a hidden danger. It's a constant, stressful challenge just to get from one place to another safely. In Japan, they fixed this with a beautifully simple and effective idea. If you look down on almost any sidewalk, you'll see bright yellow textured tiles. These are called a tactile paving, and they create a readable map on the ground for the visually impaired. The system is pure genius. The long raised bars are a go signal, creating a clear, safe path to follow. They guide you down a street or straight through a chaotic train station. Then there are the tiles with raised, bumpy dots. These are the stop signal. They serve as a warning for upcoming hazards like the edge of a platform, a crosswalk, or the top of a staircase. This brilliant system was invented in the 1960s by Seiichi Miyake, who was inspired to help a friend who was losing their sight. Today, it's a nationwide standard, built into almost every public space. It's a clever, low-tech fix that makes the world instantly safer and more accessible for millions of people. This focus on safety and order for everyone doesn't just apply to getting around. It also shapes the way people live and work together in their own neighborhoods. Number 9. Multi-level pedestrian networks connecting buildings above and below ground. Think about navigating the busiest street in a major city. You're fighting your way through a sea of people, dodging traffic, and then the rain starts pouring or the summer heat becomes unbearable. Getting from the train to your office a few blocks away can feel like a stressful mission. In Japan, they solved this by building a second city, just above and below the first one. In huge urban centers like Tokyo's Shinjuku or Osaka's Umeda, you'll find these incredible multi-level pedestrian networks. These aren't just dark, simple tunnels. They're bright, climate-controlled underground streets lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. They connect train stations directly to entire clusters of skyscrapers, department stores, and hotels. It's a completely seamless system. You can get off your train, go to work, grab lunch, and do your shopping without ever stepping outside into bad weather or a crowded intersection. It's a brilliant, large-scale fix that makes a huge city feel less chaotic and much more manageable. This smart design makes everyday life instantly more efficient and comfortable for millions of people. It's city planning that actually thinks about the person walking through it. This kind of thinking, which redesigns entire city blocks for convenience, also shows up in the smallest and most surprising places, even in something as simple as a drink you buy from a corner store. Number 10. Takuhaibin luggage forwarding services that let travelers move around hands-free. Think about the single most annoying part of traveling. It's the luggage, right? Wrestling a giant, heavy suitcase through a packed train station, dragging it up and down stairs, and trying to find a place for it on a crowded train. It's a constant physical stress that gets in the way of actually enjoying the trip. Well, Japan has an incredibly smart and simple fix for this entire problem. Luggage forwarding services, known as Takuhaibin. The system is pure genius. When you land at the airport, you can go to a counter, hand over your big suitcases, and have them sent directly to your hotel. You can then just cruise into the city with nothing but a small day pack. It gets even better when you're moving between cities. Say you're leaving Tokyo for Kyoto, you just leave your bags at the hotel front desk in the morning, and they'll be waiting for you at your next hotel the following day. You can even send them from thousands of convenience stores. It's an amazing service that makes travel instantly better and so much more relaxed. It's a clever, practical solution that lets you explore completely hands-free. This idea of improving an experience by thinking about physical comfort shows up everywhere in Japan, even in something as simple as the chairs you sit on. We started this journey thinking we'd seen it all, but Japan proves us wrong at every turn. They don't just build things, they find ways to make life genuinely better. Their ideas are so simple, so clever, they instantly fix little problems you didn't even realize you had. It's like those incredibly comfy low armchairs you find in cafes, designed to let you truly relax. Or the way they turn a simple meal, like catching samba noodles from a bamboo slide, into a memorable, fun experience. Even something as basic as fruit becomes a special, thoughtful gift. It's this deep focus on small, considerate actions that makes everyday life feel elevated and unique. From trains that arrive precisely on time, to baggage services that free you up to explore, Japan consistently shows us a smarter, more elegant way to live. They take ordinary things and infuse them with an unmatched level of care and comfort. These kinds of brilliant innovations make you wonder what else is possible. Which one of these Japanese ideas do you wish existed in your country right now? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to keep discovering how other cultures are making life instantly better, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on what we uncover next. That's it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates you won't want to miss.